I'm gonna show you how to perfectly steam milk. No cuts and no edits.
So start with full fat milk, because this milk has the right balance of fats and protein. So when you texture it, it gives a perfect silky steamed milk. When you fill it, just half of the jug so it won't overflow when you textured the milk. Next, you need to purge the steam wand to remove any excess water inside the wand. If we were to go straight in and steam our milk without purging, any water that's pooled in the base of the wand will end up our milk and further dilute it. For positioning, the easiest way, put the wand towards you in an angle. Run it down just below the surface and tilt to the side, in between the center and the wall. Start and allow the air to enter in a few seconds and create a vortex to break those bubbles into tiny microfoam. Once you reach the proper temperature, turn it off and wipe down your wand and purge.
Always purge after steaming so that the milk can't get all the way back to the boiler. And that's a stinky mess. Your steamed milk should look like a wet paint. And before pouring, give a swirl both on the cup of espresso and the steamed milk, to keep it balanced and silky. Now, you can pour an amazing latte art.
Coffee is already extracted. Espresso looks nice. Master is going to pour the magic.